Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Hostel Booking System. And I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using is a PHP version 7 and MySQL version is 5.6. And for front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used for creating sliders, form validations, and date plug integrations. I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technologies I have used for developing this project hostel booking system, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is hostel booking system and it's a mini DBMS web-based PHP and MySQL project, right? So it's a mini because I have not implemented the admin panel here. There is only customer panel available. Customer can register, customer can book the hostels, right? If you want to see the informations, then you can see directly in the database using the PHP MyAdmin. Right. So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page. This is a home page of the project. This is about project. This is about the project, right? It's a static content. This is a book room, right? So there is a restriction. Without the logins at the system, you will not be able to book the room, right? If you don't have the user ID and password, just click on the register and you can create the user ID and password from here. This is a register link, right? This is a login from where you will be able to log in, and this is a contact us static contact us page. I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database, right? And even I'm not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So let's log in first. So once you log inside the system, you will get the administration menu here, right? If you log out, then those menu will not be displayed, but if you log in, those menu will be displayed, right? So book a room. So here you need to select the from date. So I need to book a hostel from 13th to 15th, right? And number of rooms 1, number of person 2, number of children 0, right? So this is the searching criteria, right? And it will show, once you click on the search, it will show all of the hostels rooms which is available in that timeline, right? If it's not available in that timeline, then it will not be displayed, right? So you can choose, okay, which one do you want to book, right? So just click on the book this room. Once you click on the book this room, then you can price per day 1000, superior room 2 adult students, number of beds 2, right? So these all informations got filled by automatically from the previous page, and once you click on the book the room, then your room will be booked, right? So you will get the booking receipt. Here you can see this is the booking receipt, right? So this is the flow. You will search the room, and after that you will select the room, you will enter the packs details, and after that you can book the room, right? So this is a book room. I already explained. This is a my bookings. All of the bookings which you have made will be displayed here. If you want to see the details, just click on the views, and after that you will be able to see the booking receipt what you have made, right? This is a my booking. This is a my account from where you will be able to update your account details, right? For you means your name, email ID, and contact number. You will be able to update these details from here. This a change password, from where you will be able to update your account password, right? So logout I have already explained you, right? So this is a mini project, right, which has only and only customer panel, and this is a very basic project, right? I have not integrated any type of payment page. I have not integrated any type of admin panel here, right? So the main concept is user is coming on the website. He is going to register, and after registering he will be able to log in. He will be able to search the rooms, and after that he will select the room, and he will enter the packs details and submit the form. And this all functionalities I have developed inside this hostel booking system, right? But if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.